Today, you'll learn how you can use ChatGPT to generate all types of content for YouTube, including titles, scripts, and even ads, with the help of prompt templates from Keywords Everywhere. So let's get started. Okay, so as you may know, coming up with prompts for ChatGPT isn't always that easy. So that's why Keywords Everywhere created the prompt templates feature for you all to use. Now in today's video, we will be focusing on the YouTube prompts. Okay, so to get access, you need to go to keywordseverywhere.com, and this is a browser add-on that you can install for Chrome and for Firefox. So the first step is for you to install Keywords Everywhere, and the next step is for you to log into your OpenAI account. Now, with the Keywords Everywhere extension installed and turned on, you'll notice two new things in your ChatGPT dashboard. The first thing is this templates button on the left-hand side, and the second thing is this continue button on the top right-hand corner. So to get access to the YouTube prompts, you will need to click on this templates button, and this will open up the Keywords Everywhere's ChatGPT prompt templates widget. Now we need to click on the category dropdown and click on social media. And for the subcategory dropdown, we will be clicking on YouTube. Now these are all the prompt templates for YouTube. Now let's start with the first template, and that's the YouTube script creator. Now when you click on it, you'll notice that this widget will expand for us to add additional information for this prompt template. So this template will help us create a complete script for our YouTube video. We first need to choose from a language, and there's tons of languages to choose from. I'm going to keep it as English, and you can choose from a variety of voice tones as well. I'm going to click on creative. And there's tons of writing styles you can choose from. I'm going to click on descriptive. And now we need to provide it with our video description. Okay, so this is what our video is all about. And the more information we provide it, the better the script will be generated. So let's just say we want a YouTube script around the top 5 e-scooters for adults living in the city. Okay, so that is our video description, and we can also provide a call to action. Okay, so this is what we want the viewer to do after or while watching the video. And let's just say we want the call to action to be, click the link in the description to buy now. And all the information that we selected and added here will automatically be added to this prompt template, okay? So as you can see, it says, please respond only in the English language. You are a YouTuber with a large fan following. You have a creative tone of voice. You have a descriptive writing style, and it continues. And this is our video description right here. Now you can edit the text in this prompt template if you wish, but this template has been created and tested to generate some very good YouTube scripts for you already. So I'm not going to touch this prompt template. I'm just going to click on Execute Template. Now ChatGPT will generate an entire YouTube script for us. All right, so within a few seconds, ChatGPT generated an entire YouTube script for us around the top 5 e-scooters for adults living in the city. Okay, so it starts off by saying, hey there, fellow urbanites. If you're living in the city, you know just how important it is to have a reliable mode of transportation that can help you get around quickly and efficiently. And the introduction continues, and ChatGPT organized this script into different segments, as you could see right here. So for segment 1, it's all about lightweight and portable e-scooters. And you can see the script for segment 1 right here. And segment 2 is all about high-performance e-scooters. And then it goes into affordable e-scooters, luxury e-scooters, and lastly, all-purpose e-scooters. It also provided with us with a conclusion as well, okay? So now when we record our YouTube video, we can basically follow this script. Now I want to touch on this continue button on the top right-hand corner. If you hover over this, you can see some additional actions you can tell ChatGPT to do after it generated the response for you, okay? So you can tell ChatGPT to continue where it left off. You can tell it to clarify what it generated, exemplify it, expand it, explain it, rewrite it, shorten it, or even tweetify it. So let's just say we want ChatGPT to expand on the script because we want it to be a little bit more longer and more detailed. So let's click on that, and it says, please expand on this. And here we go. So it says, let's dive a bit deeper into each of the e-scooters I mentioned in the video. And it looks like they touch on the specific makes and models of electric scooters, okay? So the first one is the Xiaomi electric scooter, and then they talk about the Segway 9Bot Max, the Razer scooter, and so on. So it goes more into detail about the specific scooters that your audience can look into, okay? All right, so this continue button is definitely very powerful, and it gives you some additional options that you can tell ChatGPT to do after it generates the response for you. Now let's go to the next YouTube prompt. So I'm gonna click on the templates button, and for the templates dropdown, I'm gonna click on YouTube Shorts script. So this is a template that will generate a script for YouTube Shorts. You can choose from different languages, different voice tones, and also different writing styles. And we need to provide it with the video description. So I'm gonna put down the top 5 e-scooters for adults living in the city. Okay, so that is my video description. And we need to provide it with a call to action. So I'm gonna say, click the like button. And this is the prompt template. Now I'm gonna click on execute template. Okay, so here we go. This is the script for a YouTube short. So as you can see, it's definitely much shorter than the standard YouTube script that we generated up above, right? So it starts off by saying, hey there, fellow city dwellers, if you're looking for a convenient and eco-friendly way to get around town, then you'll want to check out my top 5 picks for e-scooters that are perfect for adults living in the city. And it continues and it touches on the different makes and models of e-scooters. And of course, you can hover over this continue button and click on any of these additional actions you want ChatGPT to complete after it generated this response. Now let's go to the next YouTube template. So I'm going to click on this templates button. And under the templates dropdown, I'm going to click on YouTube title and descriptions. We can choose from all of these different languages, including these voice tones and also these different writing styles. Now we need to provide it with some keywords. I'm going to put e-scooters for adults and also affordable e-scooters. And we can provide a call to action. I'm just going to leave it as the default text. And this is the prompt template. Again, you can edit the text in this prompt template, but I'm going to leave it as is, and I'm going to click on execute template. Okay, so ChatGPT generated 5 titles and descriptions for us. So the first one, the title is Best Affordable E-Scooters for Adults, and this is the description. So looking for a cost-effective way to get around town, check out our top picks for the best e-scooters for adults that won't break the bank. And this one is the second one. So the title is Top E-Scooters for Adults on a Budget. That one is a pretty good one as well. And then this is the third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So now all you need to do is review these 5 titles and descriptions and pick the one that you like best. Okay, so let's go to the next YouTube prompt. I'm going to click on this templates button. And for the templates dropdown, I'm going to click on YouTube transcript to article. Now, I really like this template because it will tell ChatGPT to generate an entire article from a YouTube transcript, okay? So let's just say you recorded and published a YouTube video, and the next step is to write an article around that YouTube video. And you could use this with this template. First, we need to choose a language. I'm going to keep it as English. You can choose from different voice tones and also different writing styles. Okay, and now we need to provide it with the YouTube transcript. Okay, so to get access to the YouTube script for any video, you need to go to any video and click on the 3 dots right here and click on Show Transcript. Now this will reveal the entire transcript for your video. Okay, now I'm going to click on the 3 dots again and click on Toggle Timestamps. Now all the timestamps are removed. Now all I'm going to do is highlight the entire transcript and copy it, go back to ChatGPT and paste the transcript right here. And lastly, we need to provide it with a keyword that we want this article to be optimized for. Okay, so for this YouTube video, I'm going to put a relevant keyword right here. And this is the prompt template. Now this is automatically updated with the information that we provided up here. And you can also see the transcript at the very bottom right here. Now I'm going to click on Execute Template. All right, so within a few seconds, it generated an entire article for us. It also provided the page title and the page meta description as well. So the title says, Mastering Keyword Research with ChatGPT and Keywords Everywhere. And then this is the meta description, and the actual article is right here. So it turned my YouTube transcript into an entire article. Now you can also hover over this continue button and click on any of these actions. So let's just say you published this article and maybe you want to promote it on social media. So what you can do is click on Tweetify, and ChatGPT will generate a tweet around this article. So it says, Master Keyword Research with ChatGPT and Keywords Everywhere. Unlock new insights and discover untapped opportunities for your website or clients. Okay, so it provided us with a hashtag and also a handful of emojis. So you can tweet this out and add a link to your article and post it on other social media platforms to promote your recently published article. So very, very cool. Now let's go to the next YouTube prompt. So I'm going to click on this templates button and click on this templates dropdown and click on YouTube Ads Generator. Now this one will help us generate headlines and descriptions for running ads on YouTube. You can choose from different languages, different voice tones, and also different writing styles. Since we're generating text for ads, I'm going to click on persuasive for the writing style here, and we can tell ChatGPT how many headlines we want it to generate. I'm just going to do 5 right here. We can also specify the headline length and also the description length as well. And lastly, we need to provide a video description. So let's just put down affordable e-scooters for adults living in the city. Now I'm going to click on execute template. Okay, here we go. So it generated 5 headlines for us and 5 descriptions. So the first headline says, Commute in Style, Affordable E-Scooters for City Dwellers. The second one says, Get Around the City with Ease, Best E-Scooters for Adults, and so on. And then these are the descriptions. The first one says, Zip around town on a budget with our affordable e-scooters. And then the second one says, Discover the perfect e-scooter for your urban lifestyle today. And then the third one, fourth, and fifth one right here. So you can review the headlines and descriptions and pick the ones that you want to use for your YouTube ads. Okay, so those are all of the prompts I wanted to show you today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button for us and also subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out our other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.